Systems I use to manage multiple online businesses. Managing multiple businesses is not about working harder, it's about systems. Today, I'll share the systems I use to manage multiple online businesses without burnout. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Gawang Kame US, The Follow Hub, My Tees Store, partnership with Prep for You Services, Her Inner Shift, Chat with Nick. Every business I run has clear workflows, defined roles, reporting systems, weekly reviews. I don't rely on memory. I rely on documentation. This allows me to delegate confidently, track performance, focus on growth. Chaos is expensive. Systems save time, money, and peace of mind. If you want to build systems like this, I've linked my training and templates below. Next week, we'll talk about why systems matter more than hustle.